So I got home from picking up Lana last night, and as soon as I pulled in the driveway, I knew something was off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that. That, my friends, is how you change a tire, at least with a spare. I have an appointment at Discount Tire later this afternoon to get the other tire checked out. I didn't see any nails or anything like that, so I don't know, it might be some minor leak that they can patch up, but we'll see, we'll find out. They might be able to see something I can't, so can't wait to clean my other baby, my third baby that I don't really talk about too much because I'm saddened. Gonna be selling her this year, and it's pretty sad for me, so I don't like to talk about it. So, anyway, I'll keep you posted. you have fun?
Yeah.
Doing what? Cleaning the car? I did most of the work. When you grow up, Dad is gonna make you do most of the work. No. Nisha's keeping it fresh. At Fresh Faces. I am currently driving my 2006 G35 Coupe. This is actually the first car I bought on my own, used, of course, for me. I, really like the look of the car, and always been a big Nissan fan. I know it's Infiniti, but Nissan makes it. This has kind of been my baby before I had my real babies for the last couple of years. But now we're down to this car, a two-door coupe with kind of a not so generous back seat or rear bench, and our Acura TSX. And so we're looking to buy a semi-new SUV later this year, so we're saving all we can. But in order to save some more, we're gonna sell my my G35. So it's bittersweet to kind of sell this car, just because one, it was my first car that I bought on my own without the help of my parents and stuff. And, the car I had before that was the car that was handed down to me from like my college years, years ago. So now we're just down to these two cars. So I don't know, but yeah, that's my little sad car story for today. Just a brief update on the tire. We got it fixed. Luckily, they didn't have to replace both tires. This is the car we both drive into work together every day. So I figured it's probably better spent here on this car than anything else. So in the comments below, I want to hear your crazy stories of a time that maybe you blew out a tire, or if you were just left stranded by the side of the road. I want to hear some of those. So please feel free to comment, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We want to make a lot more, and I'm really sorry that this one came out a little bit later than the typical upload. We had a sickness going around in the family, and it was mostly like stomach bugs and random colds and stuff like that, so it was just kind of hard to do much editing whenever I was feeling a little under the weather. But regardless, so glad you watched, and I hope to see you guys soon. Please comment, like, upvote. I think that's all of it. Follow if you haven't already followed. That'd be a good thing to do. Okay, I'll stop this.